How to stop seeing someone's posts on Facebook without unfriending them. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can stop seeing someone's posts on Facebook without unfriending them. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Facebook app. Tap on the three dots on the post of the person you don't want to see. Then here you will see the option to snooze for 30 days or hide all posts from this person. So tap on which option you want, and the person's post will be hidden from you. So this is how you can stop seeing someone's posts on Facebook without unfriending them.